Did you know? Some cockroaches have names so strange they sound completely made up. Today, we'll compare the literal version with the real-life creature. Let's find out.
Death's head.
Death's head?
Hello there.
Death's head cockroach. Here's something creepy. The death's head cockroach is named after a skull-shaped pattern on its body. Luckily, it looks much scarier than it actually is.
Question mark.
Question mark.
Huh? Me!
Question mark, cockroach. Fun fact. The question mark cockroach has unusual markings that resemble punctuation symbols. Few insects have a name that looks like it belongs in a grammar book.
Panda Cockroach.
Panda Cockroach. Panda Cockroach. Tiny but amazing. The panda cockroach gets its nickname from its panda-like black and white appearance. It's often considered one of the cutest cockroach species.
Green banana.
Green banana.
Ha! Nailed it!
Green banana cockroach. Wait, what? The green banana cockroach is naturally bright green. Its color helps it disappear among leaves in tropical forests.
Domino Cockroach.
Domino cockroach. Domino cockroach. Believe it or not, the domino cockroach is covered with white spots that look like domino tiles. Its striking pattern makes it one of the most recognizable cockroaches on Earth.
Ghost Cockroach.
Ghost cockroach? Ghost cockroach. This might surprise you. The ghost cockroach earned its name because of its pale color and ghostly look. It's also known for being incredibly fast. Which one was your favorite? Death's head cockroach? Question mark cockroach? Domino cockroach? Panda cockroach? Ghost cockroach? Green banana cockroach? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more literal versus reality videos.